Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create custom RGB animations with G HUB Freestyle feature. First of all, you're gonna have to connect your keyboard to the PC, of course, and after that we're gonna have to open the G HUB software where we can select our G512 keyboard. Now, to create your first custom animation, you're gonna have to go to Light Sync menu and open the Animations tab. Now, let's create a new animation by expanding the effects list and adding new animation. Okay, now we can customize it however we want. I'm gonna briefly explain how to do that. So in color, we can select the color which we want to use on specific keys. We can either sample a color from the palette, or we can use one of the preset colors. And then to color your keys, simply tap on them. Then we can create transitions. By default we will have two different transitions, and we can add new ones by clicking plus. Then we can select the following transition. We can of course also Control C and Control V them to duplicate the transitions that we like. And we can change the transition effect by selecting the transition and choosing the effect preset right here. Then we can of course expand our transition and shrink it. And then we can select the cycles. So the default cycle will basically go through each transition and will start from the beginning. The reverse cycle will do the opposite. So it will start from the end and will end at the start. The bouncing cycle will go to the end and then return back to the start, and then will go in circles, and random will behave randomly. Then we can of course adjust the default speed of the transitions, and we can change the size of the timeline here. So now let's try doing some quick tricks with this tool. Okay, so I basically created two transitions. One with the letters of our channel blacked out, and the other one with the letters turned green color and the rest of the keys white. And I also forgot to mention that we can also colorize this bar at the bottom of the keyboard. In the very same way, we simply have to select the color that we want to use for it and select these dots beneath. We can colorize it partially or entirely. And now we can save this preset. Now let's rename it to, for example, and save it. And from now on it will be active, so we can see what it looks like on the keyboard. Okay, now let's return back to the application, and I'm gonna show you how to upload this custom effect to your onboard memory. To do that, first of all, you're gonna have to go to settings of your keyboard, then go to device lighting, scroll down to effects on device, and here we're gonna have to either add a new effect or replace some old one. So let's select the animation we want to replace, and then select the effect right here, and let's find our signature. Click select, wait until this animation is downloaded. Okay, now what we have to do next is go back to the light sync, and this time we have to go to presets, then in effect expand this list and select our custom animation. Now what we have to do is go back to device settings, onboard mode, enable it, and now select your memory slot, any of these three, then import G HUB profile and select the profile to which you added this custom animation. So let's select this profile, and now with our device in onboard mode, we'll have this animation active, and it will be active even if we disconnect our keyboard and connect it to another computer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.